Brett Edwards. I'm the Global IT User Adoption Manager for Tate Lyle. So we're about 3,700 people globally. And when I say global, it is truly global. We've got emerging markets in Asia, throughout the whole of Europe, North America. We started our journey as partnering with Xerotek themselves from a print solution. Then we started to speak to them about other issues we're having, and one of them was about how can we increase our user experience, and that's when they came up with a solution for Alluvio Aternity. Aternity offered us everything we were looking at. We were looking at something that could give us active alerting, something that could look at our licensing, so look at unused licenses and how we can reduce costs on removing software that wasn't being used, and then also looking at it from an asset management point of view. Aternity was the only product on the market that could do all three of those things for us. I mean, something I look for from a partner is someone that comes to me with a solution. They understood my requirements, they understood totally what we as a company were trying to achieve, and they worked with us. It's an extension to my team, is working with Xerotek.
We've had many occasions where they've requested other commodities from us, where we've looked at and come back with different solutions, because in some areas they could be just looking at one particular part, but something else may come in and help them in a better way.
Aternity has helped us improve our digital employee experience by allowing us end-to-end monitoring on all of our systems. It's quite a unique aspect of Aternity in the way it does its monitoring. It's a simple interface to look into, but it gives you great information back on not just the user itself, not just the application, but the hardware as well. My team thinks it's fantastic. For them, it's been a game changer for them. They find it very easy to use. It's the first tool they log into. It allows the system to do the work for my team. With the embedding to ServiceNow, the system automates the tickets for us. So it's less for a user having to spend time to work out what their problem is. The system is actually logging the ticket for us. Alluvio Aternity, I mean, it's smooth when it comes to integration. We have security software installed on our systems. We have Microsoft products on our systems. It runs seamlessly alongside everything else. And again, it has minimal resources used when it's doing this monitoring. A lot of the tools we looked at, they're quite a heavy load on the network and also the process of the endpoint device, where Aternity has little impact at all on that. Alluvio Aternity has allowed us to see problems before they've actually happened. So you're looking at a potential hard disk failure. If that happens to someone in South Africa and they're out on the road, they're going to have potentially a day's downtime. If we can get an alert that it's going to happen, we can get an engineer on site, have the system replaced and have them back up and running within an hour. I mean, they are amazed that you've got all of this technology in the background that's helping them with their day-to-day activities. Having the productivity of our users, having very, very little downtime. They don't need to come to the office so much now to get the support they need. A lot of the support we can do remotely. Xerotek for us has been a fantastic partner. We can rely on them to give us solutions. We can go to them with a request of what we're looking to do. They will come up with a solution and give us multiple options as well, multiple choices. And they'll take calls at all hours. And when I say all hours, I know I can call my account manager at Xerotek at 7, 8 o'clock at night. It's an ever-changing world out there. We're looking at making lives healthier for people, and IT and technology is going to improve that for us.